Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the trailer. Park level, chalk both sides, and unload anything heavy. Next, disconnect from the tow vehicle so the tongue is free. Use a hydraulic jack to lift the axle where the shock mounts, then place jack stands under the frame rails at manufacturer-recommended points. Once the trailer is secure on stands, remove the wheel if it blocks access. These steps keep you safe and expose the shocks for the replacement work that follows. You now focus on removing the worn shocks. First, inspect the upper and lower mounts so you know bolt sizes and any corroded hardware. Apply penetrating oil and let it sit, then use appropriate sockets and a breaker bar to back out the mounting bolts. Hold the shock as you remove the final bolt to prevent it from dropping. Once free, compare the old shock length and eye/bushing type to the new unit to ensure proper fit before continuing to installation. You install the replacement shocks by positioning the new unit, hand-starting upper and lower bolts to align bushings, and then torquing to the manufacturer spec. Once both sides are done, lower the trailer slowly off the stands and recheck wheel torque and ride height. Make sure nothing binds. Finally, take a short test drive at low speed to confirm damping behavior. If you hear clunks or see leaks, recheck mount torque and bushing alignment, loose bolts or incorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.